Hello students, hope you all enjoyed your holidays and you all are very happy, fit and fine. I welcome you all in our EVA group. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Soil. Children, you all have seen soil. All the plants grow on soil. Healthy soil always maintain good greenery. I hope all of you love greenery. So, to maintain greenery and to avail all the benefits from the soil, we have to prevent soil degradation. Because soil is very important for us. It performs many functions. Soil acts as a habitat for many types of organisms, macroorganisms and microorganisms. Okay, before understanding importance of soil, let's understand the story of Punjab soil. Punjab is called the granary of India or Indian bread basket. Wheat is among the largest crops cultivated in Punjab and it contributes a larger amount of its economy. Food production has been high in this state. Punjab farmers are known for their hard work and dedication towards the agriculture. They also use modern technologies in agriculture. But today, however, Punjab is a story of degraded soil, depleted water tables, reduced productivity and farmer suicides. Now let's understand how did this happen. In the middle of the 20th century, there was a severe food shortage in India and we had to import food. The government and scientists came up with a solution to this problem. It was a new way of agriculture called the Green Revolution. It means a large increase in food production achieved by using modern agricultural techniques. New agriculture technologies were brought to India: fertilizers, agrochemicals, new types of irrigation technologies, and Green Revolution introduced high yield crop varieties which required constant input of agrochemicals. Agrochemicals means those chemicals which are used in agriculture like insecticide, pesticide, fertilizers, etc. Green Revolution was fully adopted in Punjab. Food production increased and the Punjab farmers became rich. India became self-sufficient in food. As the farmers' income rose, they began to cultivate the land more intensively. They got more crops per year, but they also had to buy more machines and more chemicals to increase the production. Over the years, the excessive use of chemicals has degraded the soil by killing the beneficial microorganisms. The new crop varieties suffers also from more diseases and pest attacks. As a result, year after year, the farmers have to increase the amount of chemicals to get the same production. Punjab's soil is now in poor condition. Water has become scarce. Agricultural lands are slowly turning barren. the soil has lost its natural capacity to nourish the crops. The farmers have to keep on adding fertilizers. Naturally, the cost of production is going up. And now farmers are realizing why their soil is getting degraded, why water is depleting, why birds are disappearing, why food chains are disturbed. So now they are progressing towards organic farming. Students, soil is very important for us because it provides food through plants, supports plants, cleans water, reduces flooding, prevents drought, absorbs harmful gases, maintain biodiversity. So children, soil performs many vital functions for the environment and for us. Vital means very important. Healthy soil is important for food production. If soil is healthy, our crops will grow properly and food production will be good. Plants and soil mutually support each other. Soil provides physical support for plants to grow. In turn, the roots of plants hold the soil together and prevent soil erosion. Roots loosen the soil, allowing oxygen to penetrate into the soil. So aeration is good. Then soil cleans water as it percolates down and reduces flooding by absorbing the water. By retaining water during the monsoon and releasing it slowly later, soil prevents drought. Soil regulates the balance of moisture, oxygen and heat in our atmosphere to create climate and maintain the stability of our weather. So soil maintains the biodiversity of earth. It is the habitat for thousands of species of microorganisms and small animals. Soil also absorbs many harmful gases like carbon dioxide and methane and thus helps in reducing pollution. Influence atmospheric composition, detoxify pollutants, helps in nutrient cycling, water filtration, water storage, etc. So, we must understand that soil is the most important resource in agriculture. It provides to the plants everything they need. So, if soil is healthy, we will get better services from ecosystem. Our environment will be healthy. Our agriculture, plants and animals, they all will be healthy. And there will be healthy human and environment interactions. That is medium for plant growth, system for water supply and purification, recycling system for nutrients and organic waste, habitat for soil organism so that decomposition can be increased. that is medium for plant growth, system for water supply and purification, recycling system for nutrients and organic waste, habitat for soil organism so that decomposition can be increased. Children, there are many living organisms living in the soil. Naturally, soil is formed from rocks and decaying plants and animals. Plant roots break up rocks which then become part of new soil. And microorganisms living in the soil like bacteria, they help to break down organic matter to make more soil. These living organisms are the most important component of the soil. Soil microorganisms convert organic matter into humus, which is very important for the soil. Humus is a dark nutrient rich material that is partially decomposed organic matter. It is humus that enables the soil to perform functions such as water retention, good drainage, aeration, and protection against soil erosion. Children, there are many living organisms living in the soil. Naturally, soil is formed from rocks and decaying plants and animals. Plant roots break up rocks which then become part of new soil. And microorganisms living in the soil like bacteria, they help to break down organic matter to make more soil. These living organisms are the most important component of the soil. Soil microorganisms convert organic matter into humus, which is very important for the soil. Humus is a dark nutrient rich material that is partially decomposed organic matter. It is humus that enables the soil to perform functions such as water retention, good drainage, aeration, and protection against soil erosion. Microorganisms living in the soil make the soil fertile so that plants can grow well. They release minerals from the subsoil and provide nutrients to plant roots. The organism work better when plenty of organic matter is available. Children, when we add more fertilizers or pesticide, most of the microorganisms they die or their efficiency to work is lowered or they are not able to work properly. Yes, children, do you know there are many secrets lying in the soil? Just do some research work and unlock the secrets lying in the soil. Soil takes 100 years to form 1 centimeter. The formation of new soil is a very slow process. Microorganisms take more than 500 years to form 25 mm of topsoil. And this topsoil is the most productive soil layer. So today we have learned what is soil, importance of soil, functions of soil, story of Punjab soil, importance of soil health, vital living organisms in soil, and few steps which we can take to help in conservation of soil. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe, and keep smiling.